Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. In previous day, we had draw banana. Today we will draw another interesting fruit. Guess what is it? So guys, it is pear. For this we need pencil, pencil color and sketchbook. Firstly, make a sketch hiding on sketchbook for drawing those fruits. At first, draw two simple geometrical shapes, an oval and circle. Like this. At this step, use light and smooth lines by pencil. Now, outline the pear as you think it should by using both circle and oval. Like this. Erase all unnecessary lines for circle and oval which is inside it. Now draw a little stem and a leaf. Like this. For making leaf, simple draw two curved lines. Now draw a veins of leaf. The pear is ready. Let's color it. Students, stalk should be one direction only. Students, shading should be neat and clean. Make sure shading is merged with palette color. We have done it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.